Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hide slides from appearing when presenting on your Microsoft PowerPoint document. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is right click on the slide you want to hide and then select where it says hide slide. And that's all you have to do. And you see a little extra on the left side, meaning that it will not appear when you are presenting. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.